93 years. Think about that for a moment. Nearly a century of automotive evolution, of technological leaps and stylistic revolutions. In that time, countless cars have claimed the title of legend, but very few have truly earned, yet even fewer have earned the right to be reborn. Today we stand witness to a resurrection, a return to glory for a machine that didn't just win races, but defined an era of relentless courage and engineering prowess. We are talking about the Bentley Speed Six. For those who know the hallowed history of motorsport, that name alone evokes images of thundering engines on the Mulsanne Straight, of determined Bentley boys wrestling these magnificent beasts through the grueling 24 hours of Le Mans. The Speed Six wasn't merely a successful racing car, it was, and many argue still is, the most important Bentley ever created. It cemented the brand's reputation for performance and durability, a legacy that echoes in every Bentley built today. Now, after 93 years of slumber, the legend awakens. Bentley, through its bespoke Mulliner division, is not just building a car, it is summoning a ghost from the golden age of racing, meticulously crafted and breathtakingly authentic. This isn't a tribute. This is a continuation. The story of this new Speed Six begins where the original story reached its zenith, the 1930 24 Hours of Le Mans. To understand the monumental task of this recreation, we must first appreciate the original. The late 1920s were a period of intense competition. Ettore Bugatti, famously and perhaps a little dismissively, referred to W.O. Bentley's creations as the fastest lorries in the world. But these lorries were titans. The Speed Six, an evolution of the 612-liter model, was a masterpiece of its time. Its massive 6.6-liter straight-six engine was a powerhouse, designed not for fleeting bursts of speed, but for relentless, punishing endurance. And endure it did. The Speed Six claimed victory at Le Mans in both 1929 and 1930, a back-to-back triumph that secured its place in the pantheon of motorsport gods. To bring this icon back to life, the team at Bentley's Mulliner division embarked on an extraordinary journey of automotive archaeology. The goal was not to create a modern interpretation, but an exact nut-and-bolt recreation of the very cars that thundered to victory in 1930. The starting point was a treasure trove of original documents. Remarkably, about 80% of the original drawings were sourced from the W.O. Bentley Memorial Foundation, providing a direct link to the founder's original vision, but drawings only tell part of the story. Racing cars of that era were constantly evolving, tweaked and modified by the mechanics who lived and breathed them. Here, the project gained an almost priceless advantage. The team uncovered invaluable mechanics notes detailing the specific changes made between the 1929 and 1930 races. These weren't just blueprints, they were battlefield dispatches, revealing the secrets to wringing every last ounce of performance and reliability from the machine. Further insights were gleaned from two irreplaceable sources: the Bentley Heritage Collection's own 1930 Speed Six and the legendary Old Number 3, a privately owned, original 1930 Le Mans race car that has been impeccably preserved. By studying these surviving titans, the engineers could digitally map every single component, ensuring absolute fidelity. The result of this obsessive research is Car Zero. This is not a prototype in the modern sense. It is the master pattern, the engineering benchmark against which the 12 exclusive customer cars will be measured. It is the heart of a development program designed to be as grueling as the races. The original car conquered. This isn't about being a museum piece. It's about being a living, breathing, and roaring testament to its heritage. The validation program for Car Zero will mirror the same meticulous standards set by the Blower Continuation series, involving thousands of miles of real-world driving and, incredibly, 2 full race simulations. Bentley is ensuring that these new Speed Sixes possess the same indomitable spirit and performance as their ancestors. And the authenticity extends beyond the engineering. The craftsmanship is a journey back in time. The Mulliner team, renowned for its bespoke creations, has remained true to the authentic materials used in the 1930s. The body-on-frame construction, the hand-formed panels, the very feel of the controls. Everything is a faithful echo of the past. To ensure the exterior was perfect, the team delved into the archives at the National Motor Museum in Beaulieu, Hampshire. There, they unearthed 5 authentic Parsons exterior paint finishes from the period. Car Zero is presented in a stunning Parsons Napier green, a vibrant and historically accurate hue that makes the car look as though it just rolled out of the 1930 paddock. This is paired with an exquisitely trimmed interior in sumptuous tan leather, the aroma and texture of which complete the sensory time travel experience. Every stitch, every piece of polished metal, is a tribute to the artisans who built the originals. What makes this project so compelling is the sheer audacity of it. To commit to building just 12 customer cars, all of which, unsurprisingly, were spoken for long before this unveiling, speaks to the exclusivity and the passion driving this revival. Car Zero, the genesis of this new lineage, will remain, with Bentley, a permanent part of its own heritage collection, a bridge between the company's illustrious past and its innovative present. It is a statement that the spirit of the Bentley boys, their grit and their glory, is not just a memory to be cherished, but a standard to be upheld. So what we are witnessing is more than just the launch of a new car. It is the closing of a 93-year circle. It is a testament to the enduring power of a legendary design and the unwavering commitment of a marque to its own history. The new Bentley Speed Six is a living, breathing piece of history, a machine built with the soul of a racer and the hands of an artist. For the 12 fortunate collectors who will take ownership, they will possess not just an automobile, but a tangible connection to the golden age of motorsport, to the thunder of Le Mans, and to the legacy of W.O. Bentley himself. As Car Zero embarks on its rigorous testing, it carries the weight of history on its magnificent green shoulders, proving that true legends never really die. They just wait for the right moment to roar back to life. What are your thoughts on this incredible revival? Does the spirit of the original Bentley boys live on in this new creation? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. We love hearing from fellow enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, please give this video a like and be sure to share it with someone who appreciates true automotive heritage. And if you want to see more stories like this about the greatest automotive legends being brought back to life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.